So right off the bat, we see we have a graph. So before we even read the question, we will do our Oizerga. The origin is right here. So that's 0, 0. We see we've got positive values and negative values of velocity for the y-axis. Normal units. X-axis is time in normal units. Things we can read are the axes, velocity and time. So if the question's about velocity or time, we'll just read off our answers. The slope is delta v over delta t, which is the acceleration. So if the question is about acceleration, we'll be analyzing slope. And the area is v times t, which is the displacement. And again, meters per second times seconds gives us meters. So we see that the object begins at position x equals 0. So x naught equals 0. One-dimensionally along the x-axis with a velocity v as a function of time. At what time does the object pass through 0, 0 again? So we know that it starts at 0, x equals 0. And since this is about displacement and position, this is a problem of area. So if we look at the area is 0 at time 0. So analyzing the area, we see we've got this area here like this. So that's a displacement. We could actually calculate it if we wanted. It's 1/2 base times height, so 10 times 20 is 200. Half of that is 100. And then we have this area here, which looks to be another triangle with a side that's 5 by 20. So 5 by 20 is 50. Excuse me, 5 by 20 is 100 divided by 2 is 50. And it looks like this triangle has an area of minus 50. So we can see now we're back at a position of 100. Up here we got to a maximum position of 150. Now we're at a position of 100, and we need more, exactly 100 more. So 100 more, since we have a speed of 20, it would be by 5. So we can see the 5 mark would be there. So b minus 100. So we would expect this to occur at 25 seconds. We could actually figure it out precisely. And we're looking for one answer. So between 10 and 20 seconds, no, the velocity becomes 0. Between 10 and 20. Between 20 and 30, yeah, that looks like that's our answer. At 30 exactly, definitely not. Between 30 and 40, definitely not. And after 40, definitely not. So we are at choice 2, 20 and 30 seconds.